Hey everyone, what you just saw was a time lapse of me spray painting this earbud holder. To do that, you're probably going to need to use 180 grit, step up and up to 500 and end with 500. And then after that, you need to get some acetone right here and wipe it down with a paper towel. Make sure you don't wipe super hard because the paper towel will come off onto your print. And you need to let it dry for a long time. This was a bonus thing I did. You can't really tell, but this just feels amazing. It just feels, you cannot hardly feel the layers. And the thing I did not do with this is that I did not put 2 coats on. You need to put 2 coats on for there to be a really big difference. And you need to hold it about 30 centimeters away from your spray can, because if you don't, it's gonna just spray it just in one place really densely, and you don't want that. You're not gonna have good results. So that was pretty much it for this video. If you look right here, I'm printing the very last part of my jet engine. Make sure you stick around to see that video. So till next time, bye.